Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying my videos. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you super easy and for absolute beginner pattern of crochet neck scarf or neck warmer. This is a simple pattern made of double crochet stitch only. I am using a 3.5 millimeter crochet hook and a 3-ply silk yarn which is almost equal to 4-ply yarn in thickness. You can use a 4-ply yarn instead as well. So make a slip knot first and then with the help of crochet hook we are going to make chains for this project. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 3, chain 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We are going to make odd number of chains for this pattern. Then make 2 more chains to start the first row. Now these first 3 chains would be counted as a double crochet. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into the 4th chain from the hook and drop a loop. Pull the yarn through 2 loops first and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Go into the next chain, make double crochet stitch by pulling the yarn through 2 loops 2 times. Make double crochet into the next chain and make double crochet stitch into the next chain. Make double crochets in each of these chains till the end and we will have total of 15 double crochet stitches including first 3 chains. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 which will be counted as a double crochet here also. We are going to skip first stitch. Into the next stitch make 1 double crochet, then into the 3rd stitch make 1 double crochet, make 1 double crochet into the 4th stitch, one double crochet into the 5th stitch, make double crochets till the end like this, and our last double crochet stitch would be in this 3rd chain. So make last double crochet in this stitch and second row is also completed, you can see. Now after these 2 stitches we are going to make another rows. We are going to make another row of pattern. Make 3 chains, then make 1 more chain to make chain 1 double crochet pattern. Skip first 2 stitches. Into the 3rd stitch we are going to make a double crochet, then make chain 1 and make a double crochet into the 2nd stitch from here. So skip 1, make chain 1, skip 1 stitch into the 2nd one, make double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch into the next one, double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, next one, double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch into the next one, double crochet, and then make chain 1 and our last stitch would be in this 3rd chain. So skip 1 stitch, make a double crochet in the 3rd chain. Now make 3 chains, turn up the work. We are going to skip first stitch into the next chain 1 space, make 1 double crochet, then we are going to make a double crochet in this next double crochet stitch after chain 1, then make a double crochet in chain 1 space, make a double crochet in the double crochet stitch. So repeat this pattern till the end. Here in the end we are going to make our last double crochet stitch in 3rd chain. So make a double crochet in this 3rd chain and this row is also completed. Now we are going to make another row with double crochet plus chain 1 pattern. So make 3 chains, make 1 more chain, skip 2 stitches, go into the third one, make 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, into the next one, make 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, into the next one, make 1 double crochet, and now repeat this pattern till the end. And after that, make another double crochet stitch row. So I have made another row as well. So this is simple basic pattern for absolute beginner, and you can make it according to your own requirement of width and length. I have attached these 2 buttons on this side, which is equal to the width of our scarf. And now you can attach this side in a triangular shape like this one. And now you can have it like this. It can be weared in different styles as well. You can have it in different styles. So this is our pattern. I hope you guys like this pattern, which is super easy to make. Give it big thumbs up if you like. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Bye.